Hi, my name is Evanice Holz. I'm the chef and founder of Señoreata, a modern Cuban cuisine catering company, and the winner of Food Network's Great Food Truck Race. And I am in Yellowstone National Park. Today I'm gonna make a guava barbecue pulled pork sandwich with jackfruit. So it's gonna be completely plant-based with a side of pickles and potato salad. It's gonna be delicious and I'm gonna eat it outside in front of a river. It's not your average van kitchen. This is an induction cooktop. It is so incredible cooking in here with this. It's super clean, first of all, and also it heats things up so fast, especially the next day when I have leftovers or anything like that. So storage wise, there are these really cool cabinets up here, able to put all of my serveware. A lot of my spices go up here, a lot of my ingredients go up here. There's also the incredible, adorable little fridge down here where I have all of my perishables. So fruits, vegetables, things that I want to keep cold, chocolate. There's even a tiny little freezer if you want to put some ice cream bars in there, which is one of my favorite things. So as far as water goes, there is a 7-gallon freshwater tank. So it makes cooking in here super simple. Also when I need to wash my hands or wash my face, brush my teeth, but also clean my fruits and vegetables, wash the dishes. It's a nice kitchen in general, period. Before I started traveling in the van, food on the road for me, especially as someone who eats plant-based, looked like peanut butter and jellies at the campsite, power bars. Like, I always kind of felt a little like just not healthy on the road and also not satisfied. Like I couldn't wait to get home and have a good meal, but that is not the case when I'm traveling in the van because of this gorgeous kitchen. I feel so proud to like post photos on Instagram, like showing the view out the window and like the gorgeous wood. Like it really has everything I need to make a perfect chef's meal in a van.